Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chi, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a collective clothing haul. So if you're interested in this kind of thing, then keep on watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video. Without further ado, let us jump straight into it. So the first outfit is this black gown that I'm putting on. It might not look like a lot, but I'm going to put a video of what it looks like over here so you guys can see the complete look. So this gown is from Boohoo, and I got it from I don't know if to call her a personal shopper or a boutique, but she stocks like clothes from Shein and Boohoo and some other brands. So I got it from her. I really like the way it looks. It has this, it comes with these belts that you can use to cinch it in. I'm not sure what size this is. It's either a 16 or an 18. I'm going to put the size on the screen. The second outfit is a two-piece, and I got it from Be Unique B. I'm going to be putting the name of the brand that I got all my clothes from on the screen, so you can go and check them out. So this is a palazzo pants, and it comes with a crop top, a checkered crop top kind of thing. I'm not sure if this is checkered, and these two things together, baby, looks so good on me, and I love the way it holds me. I got this in the size XL, and it fits perfectly. I won this, by the way, so yeah, I just love how the material is. Quality and for the price range is really like, it's perfect. Next is also a two-piece, this skirt, and it's a really long skirt, by the way. You'll see it in the video here. It's a really long skirt and this body suit. So I believe this was handmade. I would prefer not to mention the brand that I got this particular outfit from, because I had like a really bad experience with her, and I don't want to put her name out there and then you go and shop with her and you have a bad experience just like I did. So I'd rather not mention the name of the brand. I don't like the way the outfit fits on my body, so but I can definitely finesse it. But yeah, so a bodysuit and a very long skirt. It's quite see-through, so yeah, not quality at all for the kind of money I paid for it. Next is this beautiful dress. I love this dress. I've never owned a dress like this. This style of gown and skirts is kind of trending now. I really do love the color and everything. So yeah, this is from K's collection. I got this in a size, I think it's size 16, because it's a big gown. I get my bodycons in size 18, and then free outfits in size 16, if that makes any sense. Yeah, so I got this in a size 16, and I know I measured my waist, I measured my hip and sent. I think this was custom made also. It's a Nigerian brand, by the way, so it was custom made, and I measured my hips and sent to her, so it fits perfectly, and I love this dress. I can't wait to rock it. Yeah, so this is a two-piece tracksuit kind of thing, and this was custom made, guys. This was custom made. And it's a Nigerian brand. That's what's even blowing my mind, because whoever made this thing made it so well, because I love it. I just have a little issue with the fitting of the pants, the trousers, because, well, it's not really doing it for me. I wish it was a bit free, and I will check to see if there are like any allowance so I can free it up a bit. But yeah, this is the top and this is the pants. You can see what it looks like over here. I love the fitting, but I'm not really a big fan of the trousers, just because it is like a little bit too tight, because it's a little bit too tight on me, so I'm not really a fan. Next is this red top, also from Elise Fashlooks. This, I saw it on her page as a gown, but I requested it in a top because I know already that I'm not going to be a big fan of that gown, although like I'm having second thoughts now that I've gotten this to get the gown, because the material is so and guys, her outfits are actually very affordable, and she used very quality materials, so you should go and patronize her actually, because I mean, so this style of top is like a very big top obviously, and I paired it with my Fashion Nova black jeans, thinking I'm going to get this as a gown because I really love it. I really love the shade of red and everything, and she has such neat finishing. All of these were custom made, by the way, so everything from Baby's Factory Looks was custom made. The next is this two-piece red shirt and knicker. I'm not really a fan of the color because this is not the color I saw on her page. This red is kind of dim, it's too dim compared to what I saw on her page. The red I saw on her page was quite bright, and that was the reason I ordered this set. But nevertheless, it fits good, it looks good. I can manage the red, it's not that bad, but then I would really have loved the other red. But yeah, this was also custom made, like I said, and I love the way the shorts fit. It looks really good. By the way, it has pockets, and then the shirt has like this polka dot sleeves and pockets right in front here, just to, you know, touch it up a little bit so it doesn't look so basic and all that. Yeah, I love this one very much. The next one is this gown. This gown I'm not really a big fan of, but I feel like maybe I can, you know, slim fit it a bit, especially the hands. They are very big, but the material is just so perfect, like very perfect, that I don't want to do away with the gown. I don't want to return it or anything. It's so, like, I don't know how she sells like very quality material, neatly made dresses, the price she sells them, because man, they're awesome. Like, the material is just number one for Ellie's Fashion Looks. She uses like quality materials, to be very honest. It looks really cute on the page, on the model that was wearing it, but it's not giving me what I really want, but I can always finance it, you know. So yeah, this is my least favorite in all of this. Well, apart from the two-piece that I'm not mentioning the brand I got it from. Next is from the same brand where I got this outfit that I'm currently wearing. So I got like 3 outfits from her. I really love like short gowns, so yeah. The first one is this one. This one is really big on me. It just stayed on because of the belt. She sent this one in 4XL, and I'm an XL or 2XL. This is from Shein, and it's quite big, so I also have to fit it. Even the hands are too big, you can see it over here, or I just use the belt to like finesse it. I'm not sure this is the belt it's supposed to come with, but yeah, she included this for me and I used it. I'm not sure if I'm going to be using this by the time I fit this, so yeah. So the last one is also a maroon gown, a short gown also, and this is in the size 2XL, and it also has like similar sleeves like the other one, just the way the body of the gown is. That's the same thing that was done on the sleeves, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is the last outfit I got. I don't have to do anything to this one because it fits perfectly, and then it also comes with a belt. What's this? Okay, and then it also comes with a belt that you can use to like cinch it in. The gown is from Shein, if you're wondering. I'm also going to put the name of the Instagram page here so you can go and check that out, and also in my description box. Yeah, so yeah, that is it for outfits. So next is footwear. This brand is called Mary Amy. So the first footwear I got from her are these. This is in a size 42. I should have gotten these in a size 41, but it's not that bad. It's still okay. And yeah, I got this in just plain black, just to wear jeans, shorts, some dresses, and you know, all of that. It's quite strong, but not strong up to the point that it cuts your foot. So yeah, I love this. I love the way it looks. I love how strong it is, because this is going to last for a very long time, and it's very, very affordable. So yeah. So the second one I got from her are these, and to be very sincere, these the way what I saw on their page isn't what I'm seeing now, or maybe it's just because of pictures and stuff, like the way the picture was taken and the lighting and everything. But it's still cute. I love it. I love the color and how like strong, I've mentioned this, it is. It's, yeah, product is really, really like strong, and you're very sure that you get your money's worth at the end of the day. Once again, I would have gotten this in the size 41, but it's actually not that bad. So yeah, I love them. So the last one I got from them is actually my favorite. So these are like rope. They look like sandals. You can also wear them as sandals. You can wear them as slippers, however you want. And I love them so much because I love the lock shape. I have like really large feet, and this shape of shoes fit me so well. So I love this. Obviously, you can see that I've already worn these ones. So yeah, I really, really love them. And that's it for the haul. I hope it wasn't boring, because I didn't buy a lot of stuff. I just decided to like get a couple of things so that I can finally film a haul for you guys, because a few of you requested for a haul video in my plus size Nigerian brands to shop from, and also international brands that ship to Nigeria. So yeah, finally I'm here doing it, and this is one of many. I hope you stay tuned to see the rest. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you subscribe to the channel, join the family, give this video a very big thumbs up. It helps my videos get to other people would be able to see it and watch it. And also leave me a comment in the comment section about what you think about the dresses, the outfits, and you know, request anything from me in the comment section, and I'll be there to reply to you. So yeah, that is it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.